Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another tarot deck review. Today we have another exciting deck, at least for me I think. This is not exactly in my wheelhouse, but I'm excited about it. This is another Lo Scarabeo deck. Those of you who have been watching my videos for a while know that I've been fascinated and falling in love with the Lo Scarabeo decks. And this is Santa Muerte. Book of the Dead. So I've unboxed, or not unboxed, I've unwrapped the cellophane around it because I really want you guys to see how beautiful that foiling is. That is just gorgeous. This is by Fabio Listrani. So it's the 78 cards with book. This retails for $26.95 and you can get it in a variety of places and I can link them all down in the description box below for you. So let's go ahead and get into it. I'm super excited. So Santa Muerte, as far as I understand, I'm not well versed in it, but she is the saint of the dead. So she helps you across, if I have got that right. This is something that I'm not familiar with, but I'm excited to learn. So I'm going to try to be very respectful of it because I don't know much about it, if that makes sense. So if you guys would like to educate me in the comment sections below, let me know. I would love to learn. This is just very interesting to me, but so far this box is absolutely gorgeous. Again, the foiling just makes it pop, and the art so far, beautiful. What makes it even more interesting for me is this top pull up right here of a box. Ooh! That is so cool. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into it. The Scarabeo decks normally come in 5 different languages with the guidebook, okay? So it's accessible for a lot of people, which is fantastic. So keep that in mind when you are looking for a deck. If you are in need of a different language, Lo Scarabeo normally produces books with at least 5 different languages in there. So here's the little guidebook, which is awesome. And again, Fabio Listrani did both the text and the art. And look, oh my gosh. Okay. So again, here are the languages for this particular book. Pause if you need to. And this was copywritten in 2017. So it gives you a little bit about Fabio here. And then the dead are reborn and lie again in the belly of the conscious. Oh, awesome. Okay, so it does go into a little bit about Santa Muerte, I think. And then it goes into the definitions and the meanings of the card. And you get advice from the dead, or of the dead, excuse me. So that's awesome. Okay, let's just see if there's anything more. Oh, okay. Ouija, and for this method of reading the cards, which goes into detail and into every aspect of the querent, we use the entire deck, divide the Santa Muerte. Okay, so you get some spreads here, which is kind of awesome. The card of the day, what the dead advise us, and that's it. Okay, so and then it goes into the other languages, which is very, very cool. Okay, very awesome. Again, it's a great little pocket traveling tarot. It's not that crazy big, and you can take it with you. Great. The box too, by the way, I don't think I mentioned it, is very sturdy. So if you are one that likes to keep your deck in the original packaging, this is awesome, especially with how different it is. And it's like, how do I want to say it? It's just sturdy. There. All right, let's get my trusty scissors out, get this open. Oh God, I just like ruined the card here. There we go. All right. So here we go. Oh my goodness. That is gorgeous. So there's a little gloss on it and it's not too bad. Already I'm in love with the artwork. The like mandala, however you want to say it, of the skulls is gorgeous. And then you have, is that Aztec in the background there? Looks like the Aztec wheel. Again, I'm trying to be respectful. If it's not, please correct me down in the description box below. All right, so the card I scratched up is a throwaway card. Awesome. Okay, so the card size is actually really nice. It fits really well in your hand. Let's see the thickness. Ooh, all right, it's good. I like it. So let's go through and just take a look at this artwork here. So with the Fool, I'm actually going to see if I can drop you down a little bit lower here. All right, there we go. That's gorgeous. I really love how the cards feel in your hand. This feels like high quality, and that is absolutely stunning. Wow. This is really, really beautiful. The Chariot, oh my goodness. Whoop. Wow. Oh my goodness. Is that a lucha? I cannot pronounce things right, but yes, I'm recognizing the mask there. Wow. The artwork is absolutely stunning. Oh my gosh. That's a different take on the Hangman for sure. Wow. So Santa Muerte is your death card. That is very, very fitting. Wow. The colors are just so vibrant. Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh, wow. Wow. Oh, wow. Sorry, I'm just going to keep saying wow for a while. What? This is intense. Wow. Goodness. I have to say, every single Lo Scarabeo deck hits it out of the park for me. This is just insanely beautiful. Wow. What are your thoughts about this? Is this something that you would consider purchasing? My goodness. I mean, you can just get lost in this artwork. This is just fantastic. Oh my gosh, it's so rich. Wow. It's not very menacing either. Like, I feel like all of the skulls are more of a celebration than like supposed to be terrifying. And if I remember correctly with how the Santa Muerte goes, it is more of a celebration of the dead and your ancestors. So it's not supposed to be terrifying. It's supposed to be more of a celebration. And much like the death card, it is a transformation as well. So let me know if I'm getting this right, because I don't want to be coming across as disrespectful. This is so cool. Wow. Wow, goodness. I'm just so blown away right now. I feel like they set the bar really high, Lo Scarabeo. They really do. I've not had a card deck that I do not like from them. Wow. This is something else. I really like that. Four of Swords. Wow. That is insanely good. Like, I'm blown away. Wow. The cards really do feel so good in your hand, by the way. Like, they just glide out of it so nicely. Yeah, they shuffle really, really nicely. Again, everybody shuffles in their own way. They like to do it a certain way, and that's completely up to you, what you like, how you like to do it. So I just kind of want to make sure we're getting multiple shuffle styles here. Oh yeah. Look at that flexibility. That is so nice, guys. Wow. That is really nice. I am impressed. I'm absolutely impressed. I'm in love, actually. The colors, how rich it looks in the art, and how you can just stare at it for a while and just use your intuition. Like, I feel like you can be a beginner and you can be well versed in it and still take away information and be able to use it really nicely. The guidebook seems to be very informative and help you out. I like that there's that added advice from the dead, because that really goes with the theme of the deck here. So let's just see, let's pull a card here. Let's see, just look it up and see how you would read at least one card here. So we have Judgment, and that is 20. Let's see. There we go, Judgment. The master of the four elements, Judgment calls from above in a loud voice and a powerful and important renewal, the birth of a new conscious, a new family, a reawakening, and the liberation of something that we've kept close and isolated. The card represents a call to express our vocation, but also to discover, to evaluate, or to be evaluated and judged. When the negative side prevails, it will bring about consequences such as the fear of failure, infantile behavior, crisis, and insecurities that will tempt us to remain closed with the coffin which we are called upon to leave. So the advice of the dead: having judged and pondered the situation, act rapidly and indulge the desire that is awakening in you. Wow, guys. Okay, I'm in love. This has a stamp of approval from me, not that it matters, but I will definitely be using this for future pick a card readings. Definitely impressed with the feel, with the style, with the box even. I mean, the art is just beautiful. So please, I am willing to know more about Santa Muerte. I will look into it. If you guys have any stories or any if you want to educate me, let me know in the comments, because this is beautiful and I'm really interested. If this has, entertained you at least, or if this has helped you out in any way, let me know down in the comments as well, and give this video a thumbs up. If there is another deck that you guys are interested in me unboxing or reviewing, let me know down in the comments as well, because I am a collector apparently now. I am always willing to check out new decks, and if you have not yet subscribed, go ahead and do that as well, since I have a ton of different videos on this channel. And hit that notification bell too, because I do not have a set upload schedule. I will be in Disneyland for the next week. So if I'm not responding, or if I have not uploaded, it is because I am enjoying Mickey Mouse and my wonderful family. So wish me luck, wish me safe travels, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.